take it anymore. Just can't take it anymore. Just can't take it anymore. That pound and pound and pound.